everyone, I hope you have a good day. Today, we are going to do something slightly different. A special request from my dear friend from Hong Kong, Pui, and she had the complaints of her ankles. So, can you wait? No, you can't. I'm going to show you. Da 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 da! This is what? Rolling pins. Are you going to do the cooking? No. Today we're going to do something with the rolling pin. Okay? This exercise not just good for the ankles, improve and tone, and relieve the pain. Also for the whole legs, the knees and your hip and basically the lower part of the body. Apart from that, our feet have a loads of reflex point, which is referred to the whole body organs, the nerve system, everything. So by doing that, we literally can improve and stimulate our body and good circulation and our metabolism. Oh, so shall we do it now? Yes. Okay. So basically, we put the rolling pin on the floor. Again, make sure your body posture is upright. 90%? No, degree, sorry. And the 90 degree, okay? Yeah, relax and the body is upright, lengthening up, yeah? Then, next, then put your feet is in alignment, not in and then out, yeah? So it's parallel. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, yeah? Forgot these songs. Anyway, so first of all, you use your front of the toes, gripping it, gentle roll, okay, for the whole foot. So it's also work on our stability as well, the balance of the body, and you really work on different muscles of the legs to need a technique to control it. Looks easy. Have a try. Usually your rolling pin will all over the place. Okay, so it's 36 times. Quite easy. You know, I do it every single morning. Would you believe or not? Yes, I am. Why? Because this is a very healthy exercise when you do exercise, when you're having your breakfast. You don't waste the time. And one of the secrets I'm going to tell you later. Okay, 36 times. So next, you turn your feet outward. The outside of this is your spine, yeah? So referring. So you, again, 36 times, okay? You can see, even though I do it every morning, quite easy, you know, to lose in touch with him. Hello! Anyway, 36 times. And if, especially you have really, you know, back pain of your body, which is really help. Next, you turn the feet to in-depth, yeah, hold it tight. And now the knees join together, is still in alignment. So you go into in-depth of your foot, okay? Now basically you can see all the muscles surrounded of your ankle. You turn your ankle that way, turn your ankle that way. So you really work on different muscles and the ligament and the joints of your ankles, yeah, by the foot rolling. So it's a very good stimulate of your nerve ending as well, your sensitivities, yeah? 36 times. Then next, you are very strong press to hold the grip like monkey. So you really work on the power, the tensions of, you know, work on the good one and press, hold it 30 seconds. Part by part from the front to all the way to the back. From there, why? What's the secret I'm talking about? Yes. When you roll it to here, that curved part to there is our colon reflex point. So while we're doing the stimulate here, you just can't wait to go to the bathroom to clear your system. So a very good detox, isn't it? So all the way to the back. So finish all four sides, yeah, all dimension. So next, we're doing some stretch after we finish all this. Yeah, the stretch. So I turn it aside, you can see a lot better. One of the legs bent, in line with your knees. So slightly, your back have to keep straight, your legs straight. And then press it in and pull your toe upward. So you feel the whole stretch of the back of the legs apart, muscle hamstrings, yeah? Okay, and the other side, same thing. In line, parallel, your back straight and your legs straight. Breathing out, don't hold your breath, obviously. Yeah? Okay, so, and the next one, which we don't need the rolling pin, or you wanted to, you can. So, so put your heel, yeah, on top of your knee, yeah. So most of people might not have the visibility, and then might be in this side, so you just use your rolling pin, slightly gentle press. Actually, you also work on your lymphatic or your meridian lines as well. I'm gonna do in the next sessions about the detox, yeah. And press until you can press all the way to down. That is good. If you're not, it doesn't matter, as long as you feel the stretch. This is very, very good to all the lower part of the body. So if you may, you can start it bending forward. Don't do it when you can't have acute pain. Just little discomfort if you within your comfort zone, basically. Okay. So again, allow your back straight and don't bend your back. Okay. I'm pointing that way to show you slightly better angle. Okay. Put in, breathing out, back straight. You can point in free center, side, and then your knee. Okay, so doing opposite leg as well. The last one is you don't need that, and then hold it. Make sure you are balanced, yeah, or hold it your chair. So press it in, so you do the outward of your leg, and then squeeze in, and you feel the front thigh as well. Yeah, same to the other legs. Hope you enjoys it and working for you, and let me know whether you improve, anything happen to your body. Would be nice, and just let me know, and I can sort out any questions. Yeah, okay, bye bye.